House Bill 10985, an act expanding employment opportunities for senior citizens and providing additional incentives to private entities, further amending for the purpose Republic Act Number 7432 as amended entitled An Act to Maximize the Contribution of Senior Citizens to Nation Building, Grant Benefits and Special Privileges and for other purposes.
Bago tayo magpatuloy, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Good news sa ating mga senior citizen, aprobado na sa third reading ang House Bill number 10985 o ang Employment Opportunities for Senior Citizen and Private Entities Incentive Act. Malaking tulong ito sa ating mga senior citizen na pwede pa magtrabaho. Ating panoorin ang video clip ng talumpati ni Representative Rodolfo Ordanes tungkol sa House Bill number 10985. Panoorin at tapusin ng buo ang video para sa dagdag kaalaman.
To our Honorable Speaker, Speaker Ferdinand Martin Romualdez, our distinguished Majority Leader, Honorable Manuel Jose Manix Dalipe, my esteemed colleagues, and to all the guests in this august chamber, good afternoon. As Chairman of the Committee on Senior Citizens, I rise today to sponsor House Bill number 10985 for the Employment Opportunities for Senior Citizens and Private Entities Incentives Act. This bill seeks to create employment opportunities for our elderly while offering incentives to private entities that hire these valuable members of our community. This measure recognizes the important contributions of our senior citizens and reflects our commitment to building an inclusive, progressive, and age-friendly society, especially since for many, retirement from formal employment does not mean the end of their desire and capacity to contribute. House Bill number 10985 recognizes the value of senior citizens by encouraging both government agencies and the private sector to implement employment programs that promote the well-being of the elderly and provide job opportunities in roles that align with their skills and capabilities. We envision positions that accommodate their physical needs while fully utilizing their intellectual and experiential expertise. In return, the bill proposes incentives for private entities that intentionally employ senior citizens. This would include an additional deduction from their gross income equivalent to 25% of the total salaries, wages, benefits, and training provided to senior citizens subject to the National Internal Revenue Code as amended, provided that such employment continues for at least 6 months. This creates a win-win scenario where businesses gain a skilled and experienced workforce while making a positive contribution to society. Ang pagpasa po ng panukalang batas na ito ay isang mahalagang hakbang tungo sa ating layuning wakasan ang age discrimination sa ating lipunan. Ito ay isa sa mga patunay na hindi natin sila nakakalimutan at patuloy natin silang binibigyan ng pagkakataong magpatuloy sa kanilang pagunlad. Hindi lamang para sa kanilang sarili, kundi pati na rin sa kanilang pamilya. Distinguished colleagues, ang panukalang batas na ito ay isang simbolo ng ating pagpapahalaga sa ambag ng bawat mamamayan, anuman ang kanilang edad. Kaya naman hinihiling ko po ang inyong buong suporta upang maipasa ang Employment Opportunities for Senior Citizens and Private Entities Incentives Act. Sa punto pong ito, nais ko ring magpasalamat kay Vice Chairperson Congressman Loreto Amante na tumayong OIC na chairperson ng Committee on Senior Citizens. Ang iyong dedikasyon, pati na rin ang suporta ng iba pang mga miyembro ng ating committee na nagtulong-tulong na naging dahilan upang matagumpay nating maisulong ang mga panukalang batas para sa kapakanan ng ating mga nakakatanda. Pinasasalamatan ko rin po ang mga kasamahan natin na nag-file ng kani-kanilang bersyon ng panukalang batas na ito. Si Congresswoman Estela Quimbo, Deputy Majority Leader Erwin Tulfo, Congresswoman Bay Dimple Mastura, Congresswoman Rita Robes, Congressman Alfredo de los Santos, Congressman Brother Eddie Villanueva, Congressman Pulong Duterte, Congressman Eric Yap, Congressman Edvic Yap, Congressman Ernesto Dionisio, Congresswoman Jocelyn Tulfo, Congressman Ralph Tulfo, at sa chairman po ng Committee on Ways and Means, Congressman Joey Salceda. Maraming salamat po. Muli po, sama-sama tayo sa layuning magkaroon ng isang lipunang walang naiiwan at bawat isa, bata man o matanda, ay may pagkakataong umasenso at makibahagi sa pag-unlad ng ating bansa. Maraming salamat po at muli, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat.
If sa tingin mo, natulungan ka ng video ko na ito, nakasave ka sa oras mo, you can click yung thanks button at any amount ay malaking help sa pag-grow ng channel ko. Yun lang po muna ang aking update. Sana ay nakatulong na dagdag kaalaman ang aking shinare today. Ang goal ng aking channel ay mag-create ng awareness. Kung ganitong mga topic ang gusto mo, panoorin mo ang mga videos ko na ito. Thanks for watching! Kung may kapamilya, kaibigan o kakilala sa tingin mo ay magiging interesado sa video, please share or tag sila sa comment section. At syempre, if nagustuhan mo ang video, i-like mo na ito at subscribe ka na din. As always, feel free to write your questions, comments, and opinions respectfully. And continue to be a blessing and stay safe!